G'day guys. Today I'm just going to show you how to check the dates on your tyres. Most people think that's probably not important, and if you're driving your car every day or regularly using a car, you're probably right. You probably don't need to worry about how old your tyres are. But when it comes to things like caravans or trailers or even classic cars where you're driving them less Ks a year, you have to be careful of the age of your tyres. Now, I think the general rule is that after 5 years, you should be checking your tyres regularly, and then, as it gets older and older, past 10 years, you definitely should be replacing them. There's been, various accidents and so forth that have been attributed to tyres that were too old, so each tyre that's made has a 4-digit number on it, and it can be usually found on the outside of the wall of the tyre. In this case, it is actually around here. I don't know whether you can see that or not, but it is it's 3017. So that means that it's the 30th week of 2017. So these are only a couple of years old, and that's when I bought them. And because they're used on the car, by the time I get through these, I'll be replacing them anyway, so I don't really need to worry about the date on this one. But I'll show you on a few other cars that we have here what the numbers look like, because they're not always like that, but they're always 4 digits. So here's another example. This is on my wife's Jetta, and here it's a bit different, but you can see the 4 numbers there. It's the 39th week of 2018. So we bought those last year, so that sounds about right to me. Here's another example on my Datsun. The numbers are here, and I think it says the 30th week of 2018. So then I went and checked my caravan tyres. So the number is actually down there, so down here. I don't know if you can read that or not, but it is 0408. So these tyres are over 10 years old, so I will be replacing them immediately, and they still have plenty of tread left on them, so if you just check the tread, they would look like they're okay. But yeah, being over 10 years old, you should be replacing them straight. Well, I was actually going to do the wheel bearings as well on the caravan and show you what's involved in doing that, but it's typical Melbourne weather and it's bucketing down, so I'll have to save that for the next episode. If you liked the video, then please like it and subscribe to the channel to see more. Thanks.